And hopefully you're saying to yourself, Mr. B, I remember we just did that equation last time on number 1 on that practice. Yeah, you did.
We did.
I'm sure you all remember that. So v is the speed of the wave, which in this case is light. And light has a speed at the bottom of the lab, 3 times 10 to the 8th. So 3 times 10 to the 8th equals f times the wavelength. The wavelength is 500 nanometers, but it can't be in nanometers. It has to be in meters. So all you have to do is turn nanometers into meters. So all I do is I tack on 10 to the negative 9th to the end. Okay, so go ahead and solve that real quick. All you have to do is divide that to the other side. So 3 to the 8th. And again, if you need help putting it on your calculator, I can show you. Divided by 500 to the negative 9th. So when I do that, I get 6 to the 14th power. Okay, so that's how you find frequency. And then all you have to do to find the energy is E equals HF. So I'm solving for E. H is Planck's constant. It's at the bottom of the lab page. 4.14 times 10 to the negative 15th. Times the frequency, which the frequency is the answer I just got. 6 times 10 to the 14th. So 6 times 10 to the 14th times 4.14 to the negative 15th gives me an energy of 2.484 electron volts. See, I told you this would make the numbers much less annoying. And there you go. That's it. That's all the math you're going to have to do on this lab. Find the frequency and then find the energy. So all you have to do is divide the velocity by the wavelength. And again, the velocity will always be 3 to the 8th. And then once you found that, multiply it by h, and that's your answer. Okay? You're not going to do it in experiment 1. You are going to do that on experiment 2. And then you'll have to do it a little bit on experiment 3. Some of these you'll already have done before. For example, the 500 I just did as the example. So that one's done for you. Over here, here's 400, 500, 600, 750. Those are already taken care of over here. So 500, 400, some of these other ones. So you don't have to do all of them for experiment 3, just a few of them. Okay?